The legend that started it all for Hyundai is back. Yes, Hyundai has launched the all-new Santro, and we'll tell you everything you need to know just in 2 minutes. Welcome to CarDekho, where we help you pick the right car right now. Here's a look at how Hyundai has priced the new Santro. As you can see, the petrol manual is available across the 5 variants, that is, Delight, Era, Magna, Sports and Asta. While the petrol AMT and CNG are, for now, exclusive to the Magna and Sports. As you'd expect from Hyundai, the features list in the new Santro is quite well loaded. Highlights include a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, manual AC with rear AC vents, and all-round power windows. That said, there are some odd misses like an adjustable steering, adjustable headrests or alloy wheels. For safety, a driver airbag and ABS come as standard, while the top spec Asta gets a passenger airbag, front fog lamps, rear parking sensors, a rear camera and speed sensing auto door locks with impact sensing auto unlock. Yes, you can have a rear washer and wiper as well. Here's a look at how the Santro performs on paper. In terms of output or efficiency, the Santro is on par with the segment, but it does promise great drivability and refinement. Fun fact, this petrol motor is a reworked version of the Epsilon engine that was used in the old Santro. Rivals to the all-new Santro include the Tata Tiago, Maruti Suzuki WagonR, Maruti Suzuki Celerio and the Datsun Go. In fact, it even competes with the Datsun Go Plus MPV in terms of price. What do you think about the new Santro and are you planning to buy one? Let us know in the comments and thank you so much for watching.